Hey guys, so Motorola is holding a launch event today where the company will launch Moto X30 Pro, Moto S30 Pro and Moto Razr 2022. The Moto X30 Pro might launch as Moto H30 Ultra in the global market. The smartphone is the first in the world that will have a 200 megapixel main camera. And now we have fresh renders of the Moto H30 Ultra courtesy of tipster Roland Quandt. The renders give us the best look of the smartphone from every angle. As can be seen, the Moto H30 features a curved edge display with a hole punch in the center of the display. The display is surrounded by thin bezels and a fairly thin bottom chin. The display is a 6.8-inch POLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. At the back, you can see a large camera sensor and two small sensors. As I said before, the main camera is a 200 megapixel HP1 sensor with 1 by 1.22-inch sensor size. The sensor also supports 8K video recording at 30 fps. The main camera is joined by a 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. On the front, it features a 60 megapixel selfie snapper. The volume rocker and the power button can be seen on the right edge, whereas the left edge is barren. The bottom houses a SIM card slot, a Type-C port, a microphone and a speaker grill. But unfortunately, it doesn't feature a 3.5mm audio jack. The heart of the smartphone will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is not a surprise. The device will be offered with up to 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and it will come with up to 256GB storage option. A large 5000 mAh battery will be present under the hood and will support 125W fast charging and 50W wireless charging. The smartphone will run Android 12 OS with MyUI 4.0 on top. It is expected to launch later this month in the global market and could be priced around €900. So yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and if you somehow like this video, a sub to the channel will definitely make my day. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.